Welcome to SpaceI Technologies. SpaceI Technologies is a premier software company that provides business intelligence software for manufacturing companies, hospitals, commercial buildings, infrastructure companies, educational institutions, and hospitality management services. SpaceI offers a business intelligence software package that includes cloud and on-premise ERP systems, AI and IIoT-enabled Machine Monitoring Software, CRM, Asset Management System, Predictive Plant Maintenance System, Field Service Management AI-based business intelligence reports, and customized dashboard reports for business owners. Our BI solutions are designed to reduce your operational costs by 30% and enhance your business revenue and customer value for the next generation. Provide us with the opportunity to freely demonstrate our products and acquire business intelligence software at an affordable cost. Prepare to elevate your business revenue to the next level with our free demo, free site visit, and estimation services. We look forward to the opportunity to work with you and contribute to the success of your business through our cutting-edge software solutions. Thank you for choosing SpaceI Technologies as your software partner.